Hello, good evening all. Uh, I hope I'm audible. Hello, can everyone hear me? If you can confirm me.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. All right, perfect, perfect. So let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then we'll start. So again, the session is going to be like uh, I'll showcase you first my slide and the agenda for this meeting. If anyone can please confirm me the agenda. What's the agenda for this meeting?
Sir, it is about Python IDs
Correct.
workload.
Yes, first is going to be Python IDE, and then just first is Python IDE access, its feature, and how you can use it effectively and enhance your programming skills. So this is, of course, related to your skills, and then we discuss about. Okay, yes, that is very important. The next one is the industry leaders. So what we are going to start from, maybe from next week, exactly not from the next week, but maybe next week, that we are going to invite some industry leaders, and we directly connect you with these top industry uh, MDs, CEOs, and others, so that you can directly ask questions. Of course, so this is what I wanted to discuss with you, that what type of questions you want to ask. I want to create a structure that what exactly is going to be in this. If we invite someone, that what kind of questions you will ask to them, and few other things that what we can add more in this conversation. So I think so. Let's start. Others will join. Uh, all right. So, good evening, all. Thank you so much for joining. And first of all, many congrats for top 20, those who selected. Uh, and your performance was tremendous. And now we are going to give you some extra benefits or some extra tools so that you can enhance your skill. So, I'm just sharing my screen with you and showcasing you that how this Python IDE will help you to enhance your skill. So now, whatever you are getting through this internship, right, the free access, the tools, and the other stuffs, what you need to do, that you have to promote these things on your social networking. This is what we want from you, right? So if you are doing this, then you can use it as long as you can, right? So we need just a promotion from you so that you can promote this new Python ID. I'll explain you each and everything now because everything is done. And we have 2, 3 more applications and terminals. And accordingly, based on a weekly basis, we take a session and explain to for the sessions, right? So I hope my screen is visible. You can see the RAM dashboard. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so you can see my screen. So this is your dashboard, and again, you received the top 20 um, leaderboard, and this is your dashboard. Now here, what we are giving to these top 20, and this is again important message for all these top 20. I have not received your LinkedIn profiles as well as your images, passport size images. So please submit as soon as possible, because by today or maybe tomorrow we're going to publish on our social networking, right? So
Sir, but we did not get any Google link from WhatsApp, sir. And where we can submit?
Simon, we already sent email. We already sent this email. Purvi, I know your question. but I'm going to take these questions after the session. After the sessions, in the sense means when we discuss about the Q&A. You have a question regarding leaderboard? Could we?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divyanshu, I'm not asking you. I'm asking Purvi. So I'll just take this session's Q&A. After this, let me finish with the few slides. Right. All right. So let's start with this. Then you can see this Python ID. Everyone can see this terminal. Clear? Right? So this is what they will get the free access for this with limited credits. And again, all these 20 have to use on their own. And whatever they're doing into this, what are the key features? Of course, we send you some one pager or various other things so that you can create such promotional banners or promotional content and share on your LinkedIn or Insta, Twitter, or whatever you use, right? So this Python IDE, which we also call this a Pythanium, what this do, it will help you to build first research report. First, I'm going to start with the research report, right? So you can build any research report, any logic, any financial calculator, or any financial, financial modeling concept with just one prompt, right? So I just showcase you one small example in this. This is what the Indian macro research report we created for financial year 25 end. So these were the points or content, and how we build this with just one prompt. We just gave one prompt that he built so and so research report on so and so topic. These are the data set APIs, and these are the content you wanted to add into this. So it will generate these type of reports for you. And these reports you can share anywhere, right? So for your assistance, let me give you. So this is what the one prompt research report builder. So what this research report builder do, just give you a prompt. So anyone want to build any report, any topic, if you can please share. Uh, anyone? Any type of research report, stock report, uh, sectoral report, even DCF models, or maybe CAPM, DCF equity research, three statement forecast, or anything, merger and acquisitions and dilution report. It will generate any kind of report. You just have to give your prompt. So can anyone please give me some content or prompt? Anyone for any stock sector? Let's do this live.
Sir, on the hotel sector, I think, a research report.
Okay, hotel sector. Okay, for hotel sector, any specific content? Sorry, what's your name?
Karthikeya.
Karthikeya. Okay. So this is what the spelling of your name, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me what to include in this sector. Which sector is this?
Hospitality, hotels,
Hospital. So what to include in this report?
uh,
Any
like
parameter?
revenue, like
Okay.
the revenue drivers, revenue per room, I keep,
Mhm.
and the hotels under the construction, like inventory.
So revenue growth, right?
Yes, sir. Occupancy
Revenue
rate.
growth, occupancy rate. What else? Occupancy rate. Okay, and let me check with this. Is there any prompt for sector report? This is the sector report prompt, which is already predefined. Let's modify this. This is for sector rotation for major 8 sectors. No, not major 8 sector. Okay, so adjust this then. So I am including hospitality, right? I'm removing all these. Hospitality is done. Uh, just remove this. Okay, so risk macro FIIs data flow, top 3 picks per sector. Okay, or any other thing you want to add, Kartikeya or anyone?
I believe this is fine. If anyone else wants to add.
So these are the light data rules you have to give your prompt. Also, you have this option. You can add your own data sets into this, right? So it will generate a well-crafted report for you. So OpenAI low close market data. Okay, so all these are already added. Hospitality fetch data from available. All right. So let's create this then, right? So let's see how this report. So the data is going to be at least 1 month old for this. If you're talking about stock data, we very soon going to make it real time. Maybe 1 week or maybe 1 day old data. But currently it's a 1 month old data that we have in this, right? So that accordingly you just give your prompt and it will generate a report. Share this report on your social networking. Those who have this free access, going to get the free access, just share this report, and by mentioning that I created so and so report with just one prompt by using PredictRAM Python IDE, and I learned so and so things, and I'll show you that how this report generated and how you can learn from this report. So it will generate front end, it will generate back end, it will generate API data connections, it will generate the whole structure, the CSS and the visualization of your report, right? So it's already 63 seconds. So it will take time, maybe 70, 80 seconds, and it will generate report. So all these backend structure is going to be built within a one minute or maybe 2 or 3 minutes, right? So now after generating this report, I'll showcase you how you can learn from this report generated, right? So it's taking time. So, all right. So let's talk about this already prepared report. So this is what the report is already generated, and we have already shared these informations, uh, which is uh, disclaimers or disclosures, right? So let's say you are sharing this report. The person or the XYZ person will open this report, so they will already get these product links of ours from this, right? So this is why we are encouraging you to please share your report by using our product. Share your report. If anyone comes, any lead comes to you, we will convert these leads on your behalf, right? So here the hospitality report is already generated. So let me show you that how this report looks. So again, so this is what the four files generated. First is the front end, which is the HTML. Backend is going to be Python, right? This is the main Python, and this is analysis because we added few parameters into this. and this is the CSS styling. The CSS basically for the drafting and visualization of the report, right? So now let's open this. So this is what the report generated. Can you read, Karthikeya, the first executive summary?
Executive summary.
Yes, this part.
Yeah. The Indian hospitality sector is experiencing a structural recovery driven by domestic tourism, business travel normalization, and international visitor arrivals. Key metrics include strong occupancy rate improvements across major metros, with average occupancy rates reaching 65 to 70% in financial year 25-26, up from 58 to 62% in the previous year. Revenue per available room growth has been accelerated, supported by both volume expansion and pricing power.
Okay. So you selected this topic, hospitality. Is this correct or no?
Uh,
I hope you read about this
yes,
hospitality sector,
yes, sir.
right now. So almost
Yes,
it
sir.
will generate a proper. So I'm not sure for these key sector metrics, which is average occupancy rate, revenue per what's that, revenue per available
Per
room,
available.
right? Sector PE, multiple, uh, revenue growth, average room rate, and sector momentum, right? So these are again, it will. I've added this graphs and charts also. I mentioned that showcase some charts. So this is what the matrix chart for heat map for segments: 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months, right? And now here is sector momentum ranking and signals: leisure resorts, premium hotels, service apartments, mid-segment hotels, budget hotels. So everything is included in this. So these are the top picks. If you go to this, so I also mentioned that I want to see some top three big sectors, stocks from this. Sentence with each target price. So okay, target price is not available right now. Maybe some error or something. So it will also show you the current market price, target price, and upside, right? And now this is the sector rotation analysis. Service sector, leisure, and all these graphs are there. Uh, Occupancy rate trend again. So these are the main factors that you need to cover into the sector reports, right? So it's some distorted graph. Okay, so now here, what's your sector recommendation? In this scenario, for the next 12 months, it's neutral, right? So all these calculations, all these data sets. So now you tell Karthikeya how much time it will take you to prepare this type of report, collecting all this
So
information
I
in the
believe without AI, I believe 2-3 days. With I think so 1 day.
Okay, with the AI, of course, Monday, because you have to gather all this information first
Yes,
from
sir.
the proper sources, right?
Yes,
So
and
in
verify
this
that.
case, correct, and you have to verify that, right? So all these information, it's already available, and you prepare these information, and this is basically for RAs, research analysts. So why I'm showcasing this to you, that key might be once you sharing all these information on your social networkings, might be some registered RAs or professionals will reach out to you that how you prepare these reports. Because every investors ask for report, the well crafted and good reports, right? It's not like just to you prepared report on Word document and sharing it with your clients, right? If they ask, then give our reference that I built, I created by so and so, uh, source or dashboard, and I generated with just one prompt. So you have to do all these things once any leads generates by sharing your content, right? So let me quickly see uh, some questions if they are. Okay, Purvi, I'll answer this question during the Q&A. All right, perfect. So now this is what the first thing you can do with your report. Now how you can learn from this report. right? So this is what the front end, both the backend and CSS already prepared and generated. Now, how you can learn from this, right? So just go to any of the report as we are going here. So this is what the Python code, all the analysis and everything mentioned here, right? Just select that and ask for explain. Now it will explain you why we picked all these import JSON, import math, import datetime, typing, and URL libraries and everything. So it will generate a full-fledged learning thing for you. So here is the code explanation for hospitality sector. Let me break this down into a simple steps. Why we picked all these libraries? Because if you are using Python, then one of the most important part of the Python are the libraries. It will make it makes your whole steps for preparing reports very easy. If you are selecting correct libraries, then you can build any model. If you are doing any financial analysis and even preparing any report, right? So step by step breakdown is step one, import line 1 to 6, right? So what it does, loads helper tool the program needs, right? Again, this is very important. So one by one, it will tell you each and every explanation for every code generated, so that you can learn. If you are preparing one report, just go to explanation, read about how this report generated by using codes, how to compile results, how to use this success or results, revenue growth, occupancy rate, how to use it, and how to use showcase all these things, right? So these things you have to do once you prepare your report, right? So any doubts for preparing reports as of now, so that I can move on to the next.
Can you please repeat the starting steps to arrive at the screen? Sorry, if possible, else I'll watch the recording.
Sorry, who's asking this?
Neha is asking if you could just tell me how you arrived at this particular screen, python.ide.
Okay, so we give you the access. If you are in the top 20, then we give you the access for this
Okay.
right now.
Okay,
So you
it's
can
for the
directly
top
go
10.
to this. Correct.
All
This is
Okay.
for top 10. So next month again, for this month, sorry, again, we pick the top 20 and give them the access,
Okay.
right? So this is for the report that you generate. All right, so now let's quickly move on to the next one. Same as it is, you prepared research report with just one prompt. You can now also build a dashboard, live dashboard with live prices by using one prompt. So just click here. My dashboard is here, and you can create a dashboard, full-fledged dashboard with just one prompt in this case, right? So all the prompts are already given here. So you can pick any, just copy any prompt. So here is the live real-time condition scanner. So these are conditional scanners. You can build your dashboard and you can build your own live trading terminals. I'll showcase you this in a while. So let me showcase you this. So this is the NSE intraday bearish scanner, right? So what bearish scanner is that key every day. How many of you are traders in this group, doing trading or know how to trade? If you can raise your hand. No one is doing trading or investments. If you can raise your hand. Raghav. Okay, Karthikeya also doing. Okay. So for trade, सारे ही जाग गए. Please raise your hand, those who are doing trading in the markets. Only three. Now, who's this guest? I guess it's Aniket. Okay. So not majority of you doing trades. So I'm now showcasing you one dashboard. So have you heard about open high bearish condition? If in the intraday, if stock's price is open and high is same, then the stock is bearish. Do you know about this condition? Okay, Raghav, can you explain this, Raghav? Raghav or anyone or Karthik here? If in the intraday,
Audible?
if the sorry, yes, please.
Sir, if open is equal to high means stocks open is day all day high. It means the price is open right, and
Correct.
been in bearish mode all day
Okay. So are
and
you
hasn't
using any?
reached the open price.
Okay. So are you using any such strategy?
Sir, I actually do algo only. I'm
Okay,
not
you do
into
algo.
equity.
Okay. Okay, you do algo, right? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
not okay. Perfect. What kind of algo?
Sir, it's a option selling algo of Nifty.
Option selling. Okay. So very soon we're going to include some options also. Currently it's for equity and equity algo you can also bet, right? So what condition I gave this with prompt, I'll showcase you and it generated this. So can quickly someone please check DV slab for Friday DV slab open and high was same. Yes or no? Maybe you also can check, Raghav. Does TV's lab share open and high was same? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Friday.
Sir, on Friday, 5th June,
Yes,
its open is 6615 and high is 6627.
For Friday, right?
Yes, sir. It's not same.
Okay. For
it's showing the
BSP or
same
NSE?
for me.
Sorry,
It's showing the same for me
how
in
much?
this lab. Open was 6636.5 and high was 6636.5.
Okay. So let's check it live.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, my bad. It's a 5-minute candle in my chart.
Okay. 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 Yes, of course. It's open and high same in this. Right now, I'm talking about for the daily one, not the 5-minute. Right. So again, you have to be very careful for building strategies, right? So this is what the prompt we give, that he built a lightweight intraday bearish scanner. In this scanner, we provided the conditions. Prime condition is open equals to high plus minus 0.05% tolerance, right? Secondary filter is LTP is less than WWAP. What is WWAP? Sorry, VWAP.
So it's volume weighted average price.
Correct. Volume weighted average price. Again, the next filtered condition is first 5-minute candle in red, close is less than open. RSI should be so and so. So again, you can give your own logic into this. And this is the UI part for building this, for performances and everything. Right. So all these things are already connected into this. Right. So maybe Karthik or I guess it's Raghav, na? Yes, Raghav. Can you give me any small prompt or any condition that you want to check? Was one more feature I want to showcase in this. Any condition, market condition, or anything you want to share? Anyone? Can everyone see my screen? So I want to create a live dashboard from Nifty 50. Sorry. Live stocks from Nifty 50 and Nifty 100. Trend is up and volume is increasing. Any other condition you want to give in this? Any RSI, MACD, or maybe fundamentals? I'm just showcasing you your rough draft. From your rough draft, also you can build the proper dashboard. Right now, any other condition? Kartikeya, Bhargav, issue, anything? Any other condition? Trend is up. Okay, volume is increasing, and
Return on equity.
sorry.
ROE.
Okay, ROI.
Yeah.
Yes, what ROI?
Return on investment.
No. Return on investment increasing, decreasing, flat. What?
So you can take ROE, return on equity, year on year.
Okay, so I'm asking for prompt. ROI increasing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So you have to be precise in this case, no? That ROI means what then? ROI increasing. Any other condition? Or
So we can use EMA crossings.
sorry, CMA.
EMA crossing.
Okay. EMA crossing. Any value? Any specific value for the EMA crossing?
So for example, we can take 520.
520.
Yes, sir. Five. No, sir. One will be 5 and other will be 20.
Okay, 5 and 20. Okay. All right.
Sir, RSI greater than 60.
RSI greater than 60.
Yeah.
Sorry, is this less than or greater than?
Greater than. Yes.
Correct. Okay. What else? And I'll tell you one more thing, that why I am encouraging you to build your dashboards.
So,
Yes, please.
sir, all are is technical, like they showing RSI and all this. So we can use technical prompt in that dashboard also.
These are technicals only, no?
RSI and all.
Yes, RSI, EMA,
Like
technical.
it's a chart technical analysis. This is, I mean, we are
Correct.
using.
So no. It's not just only technicals. It will also include. You can also include fundamentals.
Okay.
Right now. So
So
for
we can take a
fundamentals.
volume and yes.
Yes. Sorry. Volume's already added. Volume is increasing.
Okay.
I've already mentioned. So new dashboard. So this dashboard I want to give to Raghav, right? Let's say Raghav 1. So now this is what my rough draft, and I'm sure that many of you going to use it same as it is right now. So now just go to this purple button and optimize your. Sorry.
I have a question. Are we not going to give any timeline, like this is increasing over 1 week, over this thing, so that
It's
it
up to
gives a
you.
time reference?
It's up to you. If you want to give, then of course that would be great.
Because my understanding is, if we do not give time reference, I may be wrong because I do LLM prompting. So if I do not give time reference, so it may take when volume and this thing is increasing for, let's say, over 1 year, and ROI is increasing over a quarter, or this is happening over. So it may take different time periods if not clarified. That's what
Correct.
my.
Correct. So I mentioned volume is increasing from last week. Correct? Is this okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, looks good.
Right? So again, it's a very rough draft. So just go to this optimize prompt. Just click here. So it will take time and generate a full-fledged prompt which you can use. Just paste it. So here is what the prompt generated for this. Just copy this. Sorry. Just copy this and paste in your existing one. Sorry. Yeah. So this is, let's see what it generates. Create a production grade live stocks scanner dashboard for Nifty 50 and Nifty 100 indices. Display stocks meeting these bullish criteria. So all these criteria we mentioned, all these are bullish, right? So EMA 5 crossing above EMA 20. Second is RSI is greater than 60, indicating momentum. 3 volume increasing week over week. So I just mentioned last week. So the clear prompt is week over week, and other things are already mentioned here, right? So now let's build this, whether it's generating live or not. Okay, it is not generating. Might be some error. Let me check in this. This dashboard is created. Okay, so this is what the dashboard generated. Can anyone please confirm Reliance, TCS, Infi, or any other in this? Might be it's not the correct one. I need to check with the live data because market is also not open, because we are creating a live one, right? So in this live one, we have to mention each and every data set, right? So what are the conditions? RSI above average, main table with column. Okay, it's already mentioned. Improvement applied. Okay, done. Okay, so I need to check with this why it's not built. It's timestamp for last update. Okay, so I'll just check with this. So you can build your own dashboards by using this, right? So once your dashboard is built, so here is what the dashboard generated. So what you can do now, just go to any file, and you can see that how this file generated and what is the function of all these files. Just go to explain, and you can also modify any prompt from it, right? So I built this dashboard. Let's say this is what the dashboard we built. So just go to edit dashboard, and you can modify your dashboard by using this Copilot, the any dashboard, right? Whether you're using your own uh, algo model, Python model, you can modify any. Just paste here, and it will generate results for you. Clear? So this is what the two features that I mentioned here, through which you can generate your own dashboard and research report as well as dashboard, and various other features are also there. If you can see here that how this, what are the user input, uh, learning, deep learning, AI model, and then this is what the flow. So that if you preparing this and you going to any interview or something, and of course in interviews they're going to ask you that how you building all these prompts. So it will provide you each and everything. For prompt, it's connected with the API and routing, which is a Flask backend. If how many of you know Python? Python above 5 skills, Raghav. Okay, Mohammed, Arshad, you also. So for if you want to host your Python code, whether it is local host or the web, which front end you use, Raghav? Which front end you use, Raghav?
Sir, I used a Claude to code that, and
Uh,
it's running on Node.js.
running on. No. Raghav, you are a AI coder or the proper coder?
No, sir, I'm from finance background. I
Okay.
get the code from cloud only.
Okay. Mohammed Rashid, what about you?
Sir, me too, same case, sir.
Okay, so you all are just uh, I would say, vibe coder, right? This is what the term is. Vibe coder.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so
Yes, sir.
you are a vibe coder. And any coder, Python coder from a technical background in this group? Okay, no one is Python coder. All right, no worries. Because Raghav, you told me that key for you are building, that is good. The results are generating, which is the JSON. It is the backend, not the front end, right?
Okay, sir.
The results generated from your Claude or any AI, it will generate the backend for you. If it's JSON, then it's backend, not the front end. For front end, you have to use whether Code Igniter, uh, this HTML, or maybe you can also use React. These are the front end. And to handle the front end, you have to connect things with the Flask, right? If the same question the same answer you gave me for the question that I asked you for the front end, and you told me for the JSON, the interviewer will not ask you the next question. It will tell you, ठीक है देखते हैं बाद में बात करते हैं, right? So this all the architecture from your own prompt, from your own dashboard, how it's generated, what are the API and the backend and the AI data sets. Each and everything is already mentioned here, so that you can learn from each and every report as well as your dashboard. Clear? So here is the report workflow, architecture and everything. So no AI is going to give you this much level of the backend architecture. This is your prompt, AI analysis, code package, SQLite. You know SQLite, Raghav? What is SQLite?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, perfect. What about you, Mohammad Arshad?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone know SQLite? Okay. No one knows SQLite. SQLite is a database. How many of you know SQL? So you know SQL, but you don't know SQLite, Mohammed.
Yeah, sir. I work with SQL, sir.
You know SQL, right?
Yeah, sir.
And you don't know what SQLite.
Yes, sir.
And this is, you need to learn all of them, right? And it generates the live dashboard, how this dashboard created and connected. This is what the whole structure is, right? So just go to this recording again and see how this dashboard works. What you need to do, you have to prepare report as well as you have to prepare dashboard and share, right? So now let's quickly move on to the Q&A. And let's say now we're going to start with this new initiative in which we're going to introduce new we're going to introduce these industry leaders. So what type of questions you going to ask from these leaders? If you can please let me know so that we can structure accordingly. How we going to structure this webinar? If we invite any industry leader, what type of questions you will ask? and what structure we keep this. And these leaders are going to be from the banks, from the hedge funds, portfolio management firms, VCs, alternative investment funds, maybe some from the World Bank also. So accordingly, keep these things in your mind. That what type of questions you're going to ask.
We can ask about sector specific question on their views and outlook. Let's say on AI, we can ask for 5 years time or maybe short term how they look at it, something like that.
For sector questions, right?
Yes.
Okay. What else? Any other? What else?
So related to VC funding, all these
Related to
VC, funding, how to generate the fund, and how to pitch your idea.
VC funding means startup fundings, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, venture capitalist. Yes.
Venture capital. Okay. What else?
What they see while evaluating a business, or like even for VCs when they evaluate a private company that doesn't have a lot of history, what all can do we see, they see, sorry, for example, in that company before providing funding or anything.
Sorry, can you please summarize this?
So basically, like for example, when they invest in companies, what all parameters do they look at? The main focus area.
Okay, so see, okay, all right, we can ask. But they also don't know what are the parameters are. Okay, anything else? Anything that you want to ask?
What, sir, we can ask what are the focus area in future of an analyst, financial analyst,
Uh,
where we have to work on. Means
Sorry, you
what we
want
can
to ask?
what we add in our skills for the
Okay.
future demand of the industries.
Career growth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. This is what I want to ask here, because I guess Neha, Ishu, Kartikeya, you are just means कि आप लोग तो बिल्कुल बियॉन्ड हो चुके हो, दैट कि आपको तो चिंता ही नहीं है करियर की, बिकॉज माई एक्चुअली वाई आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस, दैट कि आई वांट टू गिव यू ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट, दैट कि यू कैन आस्क these leaders that ki how you can improve your skills for the future growth. Is it a good one? Good to ask all these? Neha?
Yes, sir.
Issue?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Absolutely.
sir.
Yes, you ask
Yes,
कि VC funds कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. Yes, you can ask for sector and everything. But the most important, see, one more thing, that कि all these industry leaders are well known, right? So what I want to directly personally connect with them, and they will definitely help you, because इस industry में सिर्फ reference चलता है. This is very sad, but yes, इस industry में सिर्फ reference चलता है. If you have your reference, then you will get a job. Otherwise, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपने चाहे जितने मर्जी बड़े कॉलेज से किया हो, आप चाहे किसी भी प्रेसिडेंट के बेटे हो, चाहे किसी भी पीएम के बेटे हो, you will not get a job until or unless you have any reference in the company.
Yes, sir.
If you want to start your career, if you want to sell your product, if you want to grow in your same field, or if you want to, let's say you have your own product, whether it is financial product or any other product, you have your product and you want to go to market, if you don't have any connections, no one will buy. Clear? So this is what, thank you Divyanshu for adding this. Ask career growth related questions, right? What else?
You're welcome, sir.
What else? Anyone? I'm waiting for the questions or the suggestions. What are the questions we can ask?
Just wanted to know their experience during this war situation and everything. So how they're managing their portfolio and the risk management part.
Perfect. Perfect. Please keep this in your mind. हर एक hedge fund and portfolio management firm की बाट लगी पड़ी है since February just because of this orange ban. मार्केट इतनी फ्लक्चुएट नहीं कर रही, बट द इंडिविजुअल पोर्टफोलियोज आर मींस की वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट कंडीशंस. इतना बुरा हाल 2020 में भी नहीं था फॉर पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर्स, राइट? आस्क दीज करियर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, राइट ना? Sorry, who asked this? Actually, I forgot your name here because my screen is.
Akhilesh Kumar answer.
Yes, Akhilesh. So what was your question related to?
Related to portfolio management. So
Portfolio
how was their
management.
experience
Correct.
from the and the risk management they're managing?
And also we can answer in a portfolio management which certification is required. Like in a financial planning, some say FINRA, FINARE, something like that. We need to complete these courses and then we get a
FINRA,
job.
right.
So
Correct.
yeah. So
Correct.
for a financial planning and also every price are asking for this type of certification. So
Correct.
I mean we have to ask you which type of certification we require to fulfill. I mean for a basic level to enter in the market, whether in a portfolio or investment banking or wealth manager, anything.
Correct. So right certifications again for which certification is required for which area, right? Correct.
So, and is it any theme like we use that AI to, Python coding is required or not? Which tool are basically required, so we can ask you which tool is most importantly required.
Correct. That is, these are the again these are career related one, and for your growth prospect, learning skills, right now. What else you will ask? Yes, Rahul. Raghav.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Sir, I wanted to ask if we build a dashboard to get data, which API should we use?
Yeah, if the industry leader is from the technical side, then of course they will provide. Otherwise, I don't think so. This is relevant. It depends on client. It depends on the leader. Right?
Okay, sir.
One question we can ask is that, so during this war situation, if there is any news or something, if there is news pop up in the Twitter by the Trump or something, so there is the immediate reaction in the market. So just wanted to know whether we have to rely on the information on the news, or we should pick on the basis of our analysis or the strategy.
Again, this is related to the portfolio thing now. So you actually just modified some words in between now for the risk management part. That key how we use it, strategies, right? Whether to follow. You can ask this key for which condition or the situation, which strategy you use. This is what you're asking.
No, sir. Should we rely completely on the news that we are getting that information? Because market is reactive based on the news, right? So, as being a short term, also what we should do?
Yeah, for this, yes, you can ask. You can ask this. Again, it's related to the situation based. So I'm not sure that they're going to answer this, but yes, you can ask for this. Yes, Divyanshu. What other theme? What other topic?
Sir, can we ask what are the biggest mistake faced MBA graduate or finance industry leaders make in careers.
Sorry, what are the biggest mistakes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A
What are the
financial
biggest
analyst,
mistakes?
a financial analyst
Huh?
does in their careers.
Okay. Financial analyst. So you wanted to be a financial analyst.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for Divyanshu, yes, you can ask this also. And see, what I wanted to want you to ask these leaders, of course, about your career, about financial plannings, about other things. Uh, do you know Byju's? How many of you know about Byju's? I'm telling you very interesting
Yes, sir.
story.
Yes, sir. I know.
How many of you
Right,
know Byju's? Please raise your hand. I want to
sir.
see it.
Right now, that founder in the jail.
वो डिस्कस करते हैं. We'll just discuss. Just let me know how many. Okay, sorry. Just lower your hand. Just lower. How many of you don't know nothing about Byju's? Sorry, Migashi or Purvi, just hold on. जिन्होंने Byju's का नाम नहीं सुना अभी तक? How many of you raise your hand? Who doesn't know anything about Byju's? Okay, almost everyone knows Byju's, right? Now let me ask you that key, what went wrong in Byju's? He's in jail, might be in Singapore or somewhere. Can anyone please, in one sentence or one line, tell me what are the problem with the Byju's? What is the problem with the Byju's?
So basically, they have very heavy debt. The company took about around 1.2 billion tons loan,
Uh,
and there was delayed financial reporting as well. And alongside, they
uh,
were expanding too fast with the money they really don't have with themselves. And but the financials in the starting looked very good, but later there were legal disputes and cash crunches with layoffs as well.
correct, correct. So that was related to the funds they raised, right?
Yes,
Or
sir.
the loans they
Yes, sir.
raised. So what they did with these loans? Misuse, funds misuse, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone know about camshaft capital fund?
Sir, actually, in a
Camshaft.
Baiju, they, sorry.
Yep. Yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, what he said, I mean, is all right, but also the Baiju founder has a pressure because they generated from like a VC funding and all, so
Uh-huh.
they have a revenue generation pressures on him. So
Uh-huh.
they want to invest more and more into expanding their like Akash and all. They
Uh,
like purchasing and also
correct.
in this moment they are investing more to create a revenue because anytime you took a like a fund from any VC and any like founders, so they create a pressure over the revenue. You have to generate every year's revenue. So this is the one more concern, revenue generation. So he created a loan and all. This is
Okay. Okay. Yes. So
Sir, I want to
yep. Yes.
sir. It is sometimes aggressive expansion and acquisition. It is also a
Aggressive
problem.
expansion and acquisition. Okay. So anyone else want to add in the Baiju story?
Sir, basically,
Uh-huh.
with lots of like example, great learning, white hat, and everything. So
Uh-huh.
to expand this business, they took a debt.
Okay.
So they took more of debt.
Uh-huh.
Like in 2021, they took something $1.2 billion. So
Okay.
and there was high marketing as well, like PCC and the sponsorship and everything.
Uh,
So that's what misuse of funds, can I say?
misuse of funds. What
Yeah.
they did with this fund?
So they acquired a lot of uh, companies, and also
Okay.
they invested in marketing.
Invested
So
in
they
market
did acquisition. Yeah,
promotions.
acquisition. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sponsorship and promotion.
Okay. Okay. Yes, guest. Guest first. What's your name? I guess it's Aniket. Hello. Yes, guest. Okay. All right. So again, misuse of funds. How many of you know camshaft capital fund? Yes. Yes, Kartike.
So basically, when Byju's took loans from these banks, it
Uh,
shifted some of that money. I don't know the exact amount, but it shifted some money to that Camshare Capital Fund, and it was like the limits for that fund was pretty low, and this was an irregular transaction, and they didn't, I think so, properly address that in its filings.
Okay. Okay. Correct. So I guess Divyanshu, you wanted to be a financial advisor, for financial analyst, right? So why I'm discussing this for the
Yes, sir.
financial analyst point of view, right? So what the Byju's did, and what is the major problem with the Byju's? They shifted $533 million. कितने होते हैं? $533 million to the hedge fund. And the fund manager of this hedge fund is 21-year-old boy, William. And his office was in Miami Pancake Restaurant. He was managing $533 million from the Pancake Restaurant. $533 million. Almost 4,450 crore from a restaurant. I hope everyone is comfortable with Hindi. Because emotions Hindi में ही निकलते हैं ज़्यादातर.
Yes, sir.
Right now, 533 million. The William was managing. A 21-year-old boy call himself as a financial analyst or the hedge fund manager. Means why I'm telling this to you, in India also, we have various idiots. Because why I'm telling this to you, why I'm giving you free access to these dashboards and everything, because we also do have product in which we provide tech infra to the PMS, hedge fund, as well as investment advisory firms. जिन्होंने अभी अभी लाइसेंस लिए है. यू वॉन्ट बिलीव, इससे डफर बंदे मैंने आज तक जिंदगी में नहीं देखे जिन्होंने 50-50 लाख रुपए दे के लाइसेंस लिए है. दे डोंट नो नथिंग अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री. अगर उनसे आप फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के बारे में पूछ लोगे, जीरो. मतलब इनसे इडियट लोग मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखे कभी. मैं और मेरी टीम हंसती है कि सर कैसे कैसे लोग इंडस्ट्री में है, तभी इंडस्ट्री का बुरा हाल है.
Yes, sir.
मीन्स कि मैंने तो अपना सिर पकड़ लिया था. एक अभी नया रिसर्च एनालिस्ट बना था, एंड वी यूज टू सेल दिस ऑनलाइन केवाईसी और कंप्लायंस प्रोसेस. उसका आंसर आगे से ये था, बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर्ड सम डॉक्यूमेंट्स फ्रॉम द आरए साइड, राइट ना. व्हाट ही सेज कि सर द थिंग इज कि once you get your license now, you have to give us your terms and condition, MITC, most important terms and conditions, which you have to draft from the legal advisor or legal representative. आगे से वो आंसर पता है क्या करता है कि सर मैं ये ना चैट जीपीटी से जनरेट कर देता हूँ और सेबी को भेज देता हूँ.
Sir, so funny.
मैंने कहा सर ये गलती आप कर मत लेना, सेबी को मत भेज देना. सेबी लाइसेंस लेने की बजाय आपका लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे. मींस
Yes,
इस लेवल के इडियट्स इस इंडस्ट्री में बैठे हुए हैं. इवन वो अभी जॉब्स पे भी लगे हुए हैं, एंड दे मैनेजिंग फंड्स. I don't want to name. I know someone who is currently managing 50 crore portfolio. 50 crore portfolio he's managing, He has good connections.
Using ChatGPT maybe.
No. He's not using ChatGPT. बच गए. अच्छी तरह बच गए. But he is from. I'm not saying कि pharma industry is very bad. He was having a 20 years of experience of selling medicines. And he's currently managing 50 crore rupees of portfolio.
So we can say it is by luck only.
No, it's not by luck. It's by references. It's not just by luck. उसके connections अच्छे हैं. If you ask,
Sir, but still, it's required some knowledge, right, sir?
Sorry?
To manage 50 crores, right?
Sir,
It's required some knowledge, right?
see, it's not about knowledge risk. It's a combination of every risk, yeah. And let me tell you one more thing, that if you ask ना कि market कितने बजे open होती है to this guy, you will laugh. वो खुद 11 बजे उठता है और उसको लगता है कि मार्केट 11 बजे खुलती है. Can you imagine?
Sir, but then people trusting him and keeping funds with him will have losses. Those people, I mean, those people who have entrusted funds with this guy, they will obviously, they will be in a very bad position. They will have losses, of course. It's just a matter of time.
See,
So,
this is why SEBI conduct regular audits, no?
but these kind of people without qualification, without some specific certifications, let's say, they should not be given at all, because they are playing with public funds and they'll vanish one day from the territory, like Vijay Mallya.
See, Neha, I guess आपने ये कहावत सुनी होगी, पैसा बोलता है. If you have money, na, you can do anything.
सर ये बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई है सर.
सच्चाई, I'll just give you one more reference into this. Someone talked about VCs, right? आप जितने भी इंडिया में बड़े VCs हैं, and this session is recorded, and I'm openly saying this, they are not venture capitals, they are vulture capitals. और majority of them, इनकी जो top team है ना, they are from the non-finance background. कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई इंजीनियर है, कोई किसी और इंडस्ट्री से है. Just go and check. So now the purpose is why I'm connecting you with the industry leaders, why I'm connecting you with the different dashboards, so that you can enhance your skill. आपने skill enhance कर लिया, but आप skill का करोगे क्या? If you are not deploying this skill on the right direction, just get connect with these industry leaders, right? So maybe next week or maybe next to next week, the industry leader most probably is going to be from the alternative investment fund. They currently have 500 crore का fund है उनका, I guess. So they, the fund manager as well as the CEO is going to interact with you. You can ask your question. So we're going to start with this first. Right now, build your connections, enhance your skills, build your connections.
सर मतलब डायरेक्ट वो हमें हायर कर सकते हैं यहाँ से.
यार, if you have skills, then of course. Just get connected. See, industry, especially in India, why many financial analysts are jobless. The reason behind कि जो proper skill है, again I'm telling you, in this industry only reference works. आप चाहे जितने मर्जी बड़े कॉलेज से पढ़े हो या कुछ हो, nothing. Only reference works. If you have reference, then that is good. Right? So again, any other thing? ये थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया topic, because I have seen lots of idiots idiots की जगह मैं दूसरा वर्ड यूज करने वाला था, बट इट्स अ रिकॉर्डेड सेशन. जब ऐसी चीजें देखते हैं देन इट हर्ट्स कि जिसके पास स्किल है वो उस जगह पे नहीं है, कोई और दफर और गवार बैठा हुआ है वहां पे. सो इट हर्ट्स. एंड इट्स
So
नॉट
on that,
जस्ट सॉरी या
yeah. So on that note, I wanted to say, like, I was working with a mutual fund distributor guy, and he was like managing funds, but he didn't know how to use Excel and PPT.
that is again skill related thing, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. So again, it's a skill based, but yes, they managing. Right now, whether it is mutual fund or whether it is, see, it's not like कि see लोग तो XYZ एग्जाम पास करके भी आ जाते हैं. दैट इज वाई सेबी मैंडेट की एटलीस्ट एग्जाम पास करके आप रिसर्च एनालिस्ट बनो. वरना आज की डेट में तो ये तो एरे गहरे ये जितने भी फिन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है ये तो हर एक फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट बने होते हैं, तो रिसर्च एनालिस्ट बने होते, इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर बने होते. एंड इंडस्ट्री इज स्ट्रगलिंग, स्पेशली दिस VC फंड. एक बहुत बड़ा फंड है, इट्स 100x VC. मैनी ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी might be know 100x VC. This fund is closed now. हम तो इस पे रिपोर्ट बना सकते हैं. वो what is the reason? I'm not sure how big is the 100x VC. 100x VC portfolio size. I'm not sure कितना है ये. Okay, so it's a 1.25 crore they invest in per startup, and they almost invested around 200 startups. So 300 crore का फंड तो हो गई almost more than that, and it's closed. Why it's closed? उनके फंड मैनेजर now
They don't have right skills, sir.
Sorry,
they don't have right skill to manage.
of course, this is what the reason. कोई किसी चीज को बंद क्यों करेगा? And for this Byju's one, for this Byju's guy, और ये जो विलियम है, what he did, जैसे ही इसके पास फंड आया from Byju's, I don't know Byju's वाले का नाम क्या है, रविचंद्रन ऐसे कुछ है, right? He transferred $33 million, and very next day after getting this fund, he bought 2 Ferraris. He bought 2 Ferraris from this fund. इसकी पूरी स्टोरी है, you can check please. It's already.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have already
Ferrari or something.
read in his studies.
मतलब Ferraris, Rolexes, Rolex तो I'm just saying name, but expensive watches और ये सारी चीजें उसने खरीदनी शुरू कर दी. और $533 million is zero. So of course, if you are a financial analyst, then please follow the compliance और ये सारी चीजें. Funds तो मिल जाएगा, it's not a big deal, right? So what I assume that Divyanshu is not going to be the same financial analyst, right? Be a responsible financial analyst.
The rest of us also, whenever we are.
I'm not sure because Divyanshu का एक topic था, so that's why Divyanshu I'm putting Divyanshu and mentioning Divyanshu because
Yes.
but in some sort of कि अगर Divyanshu को $533 million मिल भी जाएं at this point of stage, so मैं तो कहूँगा कि लेके निकल. और क्या करना है यार, 533 मिलियन कम थोड़ी होते हैं. और क्या, अपना जाके कहीं अपना आराम से थाईलैंड में जाके आइलैंड लो और आराम से रहो. But still, why I'm telling you this story, this industry is full of fools and idiots जो डिजर्व नहीं करते वो उस पोजीशंस पे है या पोस्ट पे है. Right? Non-finance guy is providing investment advice. YouTube पे mic लगा के बक करना, it's very easy. And this is what the major problem with SEBI for all such stuff. SEBI is creating some more guidelines or due diligence or everything. Right? So any questions, further questions? Yes, Purvi, sorry, Purvi is here or not? Purvi, what's your question now?
Yes, sir, I am here.
From your voice, it's like you are now exhausted. Please ask.
No, sir, it's not like that.
Yes, please.
Sir, I was asking if we also have to fill Google form. Means I am on the 11th rank, so Google form is only for the top 10
No, for top
participants,
20.
no?
No, for top 20. For top 20.
Okay,
We mention all top 20. It's not for top 10, it's for top 20.
Okay, so that was my only question.
What other question you have?
No, sir, this was my only question.
Okay. What else? Yes, Divyanshu.
Sir, I want to ask what is the criteria for selecting the rank? Because when I have seen my monthly rank, then I get to know that my rank was something 18 or 19 in May month.
Okay.
तो
आपने कब चेक किया था?
सर मैंने चेक किया था 1 तारीख को भी चेक किया था, मतलब 1 जून को भी किया था मैंने.
अच्छा, 1 जून को आपने चेक किया था. Your rank was 18-19.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी देख लेते. And I'll just
18 या 19 था सर.
18 या 19. अभी कितना है?
अभी तो सर नीचे चला गया क्योंकि अभी मैंने 2-3 दिनों से काम किया नहीं है.
अच्छा, अभी 2-3 दिनों से आपने किया नहीं है. So might be again this is based on ranking ना, the scores generated, right? So might be उसकी वजह से आपका जो rank है that is down.
ये सर ये हो सकता है, लेकिन मैं मतलब फर्स्ट आपने बोला था कि ये क्राइटेरिया 1 जून मतलब वो 1 जून तक मतलब वो चलता रहेगा.
करेक्ट. बाय 2 जून, जो 2 जून तक जितनी भी रिपोर्ट सबमिट हुई है वी कैलकुलेटेड 2 जून. प्लीज रिमेंबर.
अच्छा,
2 जून.
क्योंकि 1 जून को आपने नया टास्क ऐड कर दिया था, तो उससे पहले वाला जितना भी टास्क
उससे पहले वाली जितनी है, करेक्ट, उससे पहले वाली जितनी भी है वी कैलकुलेटेड बेस्ड ऑन दैट.
तो सर वो उससे पहले वाली सारे रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से मेरी रैंक 19 थी.
हाँ, उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि कई ऐसे जो आपके इंटर्न्स है उनकी जो कैलकुलेशन है दैट वाज नॉट करेक्ट. सो व्हाट वी डिड ऑन 3 जून वी फिक्स्ड एवरी कैलकुलेशन.
अच्छा,
right now that is why it's showing this. Now quickly I'll just move on to this error correction now. In this error correction I'm receiving lots and lots of query that ki you are not able to find the current tax and subcontracting charges. Anyone facing this issue?
नो सर, बट उसमें जो एक्यूरेसी आती है रिसर्च टास्क में वो मतलब
Yes, subcontracting charges is difficult to find.
Difficult to find. Okay, perfect. With every research task in the focus area, we have mentioned everything. So just go to this link. This is the NSC link, right? It's a direct filing of this company to the NSC. This is NSC, right? And the task was contracting charges, right? This is what the subcontracting charges. It's Everything is available on this. This is the link.
Okay, sir.
You have to open
Yes,
and
sir.
you have to go to subcontracting charges. Everything is mentioned here.
Sir, and one more doubt.
Uh-huh.
Can you please open the dashboard?
Hanji.
Okay, this one only. And this top 3 and top 1, top 2 students are completed. Not top 3 and top 4 also. 17 error corrections is completed. Then we get only 6 or 5 corrections only, sir. Then why people are getting 17 error correction? I'm asking, sir.
17 correction is something that might be some technical problem now. I guess you received only 3 or 4. No, not 3
Yes,
or 4.
sir. I received only
corrections.
6 corrections, sir. I have done that completely.
सर ये टॉप 7 सर टॉप 7 में ऐसे ही थे जो आपने लिस्ट भेजे उसमें भी हैं ये लोग.
No, this is for all because ये जो calculate हो रहा है from the Jan onwards हो रहा है. Jan 2026. You're getting it? From Jan onwards. So the thing is कि this Ria as well as I guess this Tamanna, they are from the previous batches because हमारे पास previous batches के भी ऐसे students हैं who continuing their internships. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we
yes,
have
sir,
to
sir.
calculate. So we have to calculate overall ना यार. तो उन्होंने पहले भी तो submit किया होगा ना. So that is why you can see 31 reports. Akansha, she's from the Jan batch, but still she's with us. So what she will get now in July, she will get a 7-month certificate, internship certificate. We have to calculate previous also ना यार. आपको internship देके हम पुरानों वालों को थोड़ी भूल जाएंगे. सब शांत हो गए. कोई तो जवाब दो यार. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are right.
क्लियर ना. सारे ऐसे उदास हो गए जैसे पता नहीं पुराने वालों को भी तो कुछ करेंगे देंगे ना. Yes, any other question?
Yes, sir.
So I had one doubt in like the basket like task. We have to first save draft and then submit.
Correct. You have to save draft. Because save draft means कि we capture the price.
Okay, because
Right.
what happened was I saved a draft and then I changed one stock, but my earlier stock came in that.
Yes, but this is why, because we have to capture your price. And one more thing I wanted to add into this, that we going to start a YouTube series in which we pick a topic. Let's say, what's the topic? Current topic is the RBI one, right? We create a RBI topic. Now I will invite 5 or 4 or 3 or 5 interns. Now they will provide their stocks basket. In this session, we record this session and publish on our YouTube series along with your analysis. If you are picking so and so stock, then why? So we actually creating AI basket as well as the human basket. How much returns? Who generates better return? You or the AI? So I'll share this very soon with you. Yes, please.
सर ये AI basket मतलब किस हिसाब से काम करता है? क्योंकि रैंक उसमें भी मेरी.
No. AI basket आपको नहीं बनानी. Let's say we created this RBI event.
जो अभी हमको basket task का जो challenge में जो task का challenge है उसमें भी तो basket ही तो है वो.
उसमें basket है, but that's not AI basket. That's not AI basket.
सर बस उसमें ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा जो एवरेज आ रहा है वो कहाँ से आ रहा है 465 एंड मतलब 2000 किसी का ऐसे दिखा रहा है तो वो एवरेज कहाँ से आ रहा है?
किस चीज का एवरेज?
इन अ बास्केट सर.
Average.
Yes, it is showing by average price. 470. I mean, is showing that 475 and all this. After submitting, this is code.
Yes, sir. ये वाली report. Yes, sir.
Creation price and
This
current
one.
price.
What is this? I mean, all what
Creation.
is this, sir?
Creation price.
Yes, sir.
क्रिएशन प्राइस, लेट्स से यू पिक्ड 4 स्टॉक्स, राइट? एक स्टॉक का प्राइस 100 है, दूसरे का 200 है, तीसरे का 400 है. Are you getting it now? It's a total of your basket.
तो जो ये रैंकिंग डिसाइड हो रही है ये
Correct.
मतलब ये जितना रिटर्न के हिसाब से हो रही है या मतलब जो हम सेलेक्ट करें उसके हिसाब से हो रही है?
नो, दिस इज योर क्रिएशन. ये आपका क्रिएशन प्राइस है, ये आपका करंट प्राइस है. ऋषभ है क्या यहाँ पे भी? ओके, ऋषभ नहीं है. सो ऋषभ का जो अल्फा है इट्स 4.07. द बेंचमार्क रिटर्न सिंस द लॉन्च ऑफ दिस बास्केट वाज negative 0.77. But the basket price for Rishabh Agarwal is 3.30. We capture your current price for all the stock and then calculate based on that. Getting it? Again, silence. Why silence, sir?
Yes, sir.
First, we capture your average price of all the basket, all the stocks you're creating. We capture this as your basket price. NAV जैसे NAV तो बहुत complicated हो जाएगा. The combination of your all stocks, and then based on that combination we calculate. Clear?
That will be changed, sir, in a real time value. Like today
Correct.
price is like some
Correct.
stock is changes, then it will changes.
Correct. Who's asking this? Kurvi?
No, sir, it's me. Issue.
Okay, sorry. Issue is asking this. Then where is your this is your basket, right?
Yes, sir.
So 481, 1.58% return. Right now. So now what we going to do in this, first for this same event, first we create a AI basket, right? And capture the price. And then we ask you to submit your own baskets now. So this will create a competition like AI versus human intelligence. Who generated better results? So let me show you some example in this. Basket, create basket. Okay. So this is the return showcased. As you can see here, AI versus human intelligence. So AI generated negative 0.84 and human generated minus 266. So this is what the competition we want to start. For the oil price high, this is the basket generated by AI and this is the human basket. Again, this is testing for testing purpose only. It's not for the real time, but testing purpose. In this RBI hawkish, they generated better results. Humans generated better results than AI. We'll start a series on YouTube and showcase. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
All right then. So then, thank you so much for your time. And okay, Raghav is saying, sir, I do build a dashboard for arbitrage opportunity in NSE stock and futures. Can I show that? Of course, you can show me. Raghav है नहीं शायद अभी. All right. So any other questions? Any other doubts? All right then. Thank you so much for your time. So next week, I'll update you if the mentor is going to join next week or not. I'll update you accordingly. So this session is going to be maybe Friday or Saturday evening. Right? So thank you so much all. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.